Hi everyone, my name is Erin Botker and I'm the coordinator of undergraduate recruitment for UMBC-Shady Grove. I want to thank you all for attending our undergraduate program director virtual open house. And although we've had to switch this from our in-person event to an online format, we're here to give you the same great information about the 6 undergraduate programs we have to offer. So during the open house, you'll have the opportunity to attend 2 breakout sessions, depending on the program of your interest. But before that, I do want to give you a little bit more information about UMBC-Shady Grove and the transfer process. So the universities at Shady Grove is a full-service campus that hosts 9 different institutions, UMBC being one of them. I do want to point out, though, that as a UMBC-Shady Grove student, you are earning the same degree as our students at main campus. So when you graduate, you're going to get a diploma that says UMBC, and there's no indication that coursework was taken at the universities at Shady Grove. It's a true UMBC degree. Something that is unique about USG, we are all transfer students. So I highly encourage you to come to a virtual pre-transfer advising appointment with me so we can review the prerequisite and recommended courses prior to transfer. The link for signing up for that appointment will be on our event page, but then it can also be found on our Visit Us page. And while you're there, also I encourage you to check out our other virtual events that we'll be hosting this fall. For those who are looking to apply for spring 2021, don't forget the priority deadline is going to be October 15th of this fall, and then the final deadline is going to be December 1st. If you have any questions about transferring or the application process, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is erin.botker@umbc.edu. That's ERIN.BOTKER@umbc.edu, and I'd be happy to help. I hope you enjoy our event. Stay healthy and stay safe.